your firearm here. Still got that round in there, so you can light that out. Easy. Now the gun is fully unloaded. Take the other round, because it gets tricky with the second round. That's when it wants to roll left and right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Y'all from New York?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, when you say talk, and I was like, what the fuck?
Don't do that.
This is the Ruger 5.7.
Got it right there. Okay, Ruger, boom. Ruger.
I don't know what songs it's in. I just, a lot of gangbangers around here like to go with that, and then they get mad at me when the ammo's like.
I'm about to drop in the field. Think if I call it the great, the people gon' call it the truth. I ain't really trip on the credit. I just paid all of my dues. I just respected the game. Now my name all in the news. Tripping on all of my moves. Quote me on this, got a lot more to prove. Remember I came in this bitch, fresh out the county, with nothing to lose.
No, for the count of you, but I don't do this shit for nothing. No, not at all. You, my mama that you do. Oh, yeah, so I don't do this shit for nothing. You, not at all. Oh, I tell you that.
Out here in the gun.
That's good, Latin? I've got like.